Don't all of us love to wear that heavy earrings for any function, party, and any occasion given? Now, this comes with some consequences. In a lot of people, the earlobe hole becomes very big and large to the extent that even it may split open completely. Now, this earlobe hole can be repaired with surgery. A lot of patients are asking for something called glue, gum, sticker. Let me tell you, nothing works. And I have seen a lot of reels which they're promoting, but these are all maybe it may work for a week or 10 days, but no. Any defect or any hole in your body, in the skin, cannot be corrected other than surgery. Now, coming to surgery, this particular earlobe hole repair is done under local anesthesia. It takes just say 30 to 45 minutes of time. A small injection is given just at the earlobe, and the entire ear hole is freshened. That means the epithelium around the earlobe tract is removed, and this is resutured. This can be done in two ways. One way, we remove the entire hole and resuture it. Hence, the piercing is gone and you need to re-pierce after 3 months. But in many cases, when the patient would wish to wear the earring immediately, we leave a small part of the hole at the highest most point and suture the rest of it with a flap technique. This is called Purdue flap technique. Now, in this, the hole remains at the topmost point. So that is a disadvantage in many cases. If you're not happy with the location of your hole, then it is better to go for a complete repair and re-pierce at a later date. Now, following a earlobe repair, I always advise my patient to wait at least for 3 to 6 months for re-piercing. Second, to never ever wear heavy earrings as a must, because once there's a weakness, there's a high chance that there will be recurrence of this ear hole becoming bigger. Hence, it's always advised to completely avoid any sort of heavy earrings. Now, in some small number of cases where the ear hole is not very big but just slightly bigger than what you would wish, we can reduce the size of this hole by putting fillers around the hole so that the hole becomes slightly smaller. But this is in a very small percentage of patients. If you have any more doubts about earlobe repair, you can always contact us at Pink Apple Aesthetics.